Hello, my people. Hello, 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 hello. Now, good morning. Good morning. Hey, story day, oh. Story day. Owohan, the new adulteress. Owohan, the latest adulteress, the new adulteress. So, you don't marry. Now you go sleep with Frank. Hey, make una come hear story. Make una come listen to audio where I have to cry for my ear. I don't marry. So adulteress we wawe me alogbena adulteress. Edegiri edo ihu no ro wodo we love yeke. Frank. Ikamawe. Even know that no you we do ya si me la dia hello Frank. Ya zion boyo wa yo, ya zion boyo wa ya lawe yeke la dia. Even know you we do ya yo bowe si me. Ya zion boyo wa o ya lawe yeke la dia. Ani jemeni nu wo gbera meni. My brother. Ya kpolo we jo kwakabo. Iho ya loro wo donu wo. Ya sili ya la dia. Because we now silly no na gbina doctors iyan ya ni ro wodo noro nugwe mo warrior wa a picture ya fe no gweme ya post ya ro wodo da fi yan so abo han o ma mo re ma mu na do avie yo mi bossi la wo la we na gbe love ime record you no ya avie no ya si one Frank wo wi ori o me we ni si one no wa gbe o Oriome we di simwanwe Oriome so obo ha we ro fine ogi me fuck up ma ha we me magbe ime wa we fuck up but me marry bon by relationship ma ve e Frank e bon phone ni ma ve Frank ya segbe ai almost already 10 months now Frank ma zo won bo we kun on gome here with Facebook on gome mwe video on gome je platform mo ave ni avec bako e ka je platform me logie et problème e ka je platform me suzi et problème e ka je platform me beki et problème Frank e ka solo mo we bi announce e boy ni si ane for a very long time mo by very cool e tv ya ma gwe me betite we na wa gbe begu san na ro tien e Frankie naga solo me Frankie ya zinyo boyo wa o ya lawo ni san latin o yes ya pe voice e sister Pemi e voice we ya pe wo we na nu do re ne Frankie ya we no ya to re me we WhatsApp group where wa binye be nyanu we ne gbene unu je kevie ya na latin on ya pe wo we na my people ya bejian obo kan e voice we ya avec pe avec voice no ya send message gie ori o me we ni si one no e na gbe love gbe saloboa obo kan so we ro wodo una gbe love with a Frankie this one my mommy or my daddy wala mogun imi o mi ya katu wane era me bije me no re ma wala mogun so ba de ba wa Frankie, sayonere. Frank, we mo bireva ni mo we mo deti we mo jo wa we. Mo ve vie phone we Frank. Ke no kame bo, ke no ma kame. Ya yo bo me sini ya. Because Mateo we ne wo we Facebook we ma ve we kave mi gbene. Ina fe ko kinyogo me kedere ade. Una werere we mami, una we to wa mo so ya sini. Wa ya sini e Frankie no we that do ya sin when ya sini like social media low Frankie ya ya zin popo yo woni san ba me ni ya silo we ba me ni je kevi Mais que ils oui j'ai Kevin et voici j'ai Kevin y avait il a payé et il se doit agber depuis si j'ai Kevin quoi il se doit agber depuis si j'ai Kevin quoi puis on y a qui est moins viada ils sont agber les quoi ni me ya bolo wele les steps il de no wan yo no na de pa lo on step ya poster so when I ro wodo when I ya bi wan ge Frank ori when I when isi wan no Frank o esa gana o wa tan ma me potuni ahe ni nu uwele ni nu munyare ni kaka boss yere jonu gega ama emi ne imemi wane nuwe muje mwera la jande era bije na veredo inyana woju we ije me hiyo mani ije me ga kwa be wa muje me la dinje me na ikwa be leva e problem so fun we ke gbogi jime wa ni imi ame so me fa wo ni san ya fa wo ni san e pa edi mofi e pa edi mofi social media president ma be me e voice recording ni ma ni ye kavive ya gossip we o ibe mo o ve seder yone ya ve dori ye street social media veni ye kavive nya lo we ya ve ri ejo de ni ye kavive mayu pe kan de ni ye kavive mayu pe kan e pa president social media president e voice we ve ruwe WhatsApp group ni ye kavive ya tie bono hia we ya ve do time ya ve ri ere mohia vanya ije kevive Frankie sisi wana we negi wana ewe imi afio body Frankie a o ya laye keladia sister Pemi should be case my mommy la mogun sister Pemi mommy sisi ha sister Pemi should be case una come across a video na e recordi ije kevia tawe eri unyano we ma Victor record ni ya pe na o so do total no adan we o ege offend we mommy ma we ipa yen we ni personal ya ti send the ego we okay o sister ge ni ma we gun kan we gbe we sisi ma we emi na re social media ne ni ye Kevin no ya gossip evo ya hian nobody ya se gbo wa ni re Nigeria ave love ti ma swe ya avie piche wa ya la dian e record ni ma ya gossip wa ya avie ya la dian lo vetima swe ya we Nigeria je bebe on ya according to veni ma vie Kevin ya gossip wa epa na hia epa la mogun epa we wore agenu ogu we no waro ya vere do pe mi ni Kevin wunya wo hia we ya vere do pe de pare mani palamogun ya pe ya fe ye Kevin ori gossipi ye Kevin gbe so mi mo fo di yo to ye Kevin talo i do pretend we na mi give okay fi fo e life ma be yan oni yan live but me na mami mene do blog na mo hia ve Frankie mo jo wa we fine I kalele wene ina se ma wi wena se gbe aye una do begi me ke viga ekwe udeni ma ya maybe because yen wu dan hin umo story do saga na so ase o ma ye were emidiana umo story do saga wo hia zo mo bobekun oni o se yin na kwejo ina we e worry forgive you wene ina dio wa we ni meke na do mi ya gbo Frankie ozeli na adi wa we na life oni de email life on we viva email e voice ye Kevin bi kwa mi ye Kevin e Frankie apa o bare vanani e kiani apa ngwe vo viena e de ye Kevin so a toast Frankie email record ya fe ije Kevin yon ya we e Frankie atani o Frankie we ije Kevin maka ije Kevin ma omodo wa wo vigbo marriage wa waje wa fiane beside that a boy no we ga friendly before Frankie ke redo mi we o bi amaru we dagboje Kevin the story ni boya re ni me te story ni we ma won pia o vigbo vi ano what you waiva ya lesigbe ai e dem Frankie no if we gonna we were opiaduma e debo itie we video call no all siezo we ma gwo piaro wa edene Frankie buwe no do to we wana wa wo piagbaro wa rude Frankie okoli we video call o jere no piamo pa wa be sie wa be sie e record nu ya you we kele iya we si not wa si not si no we idori ye social media de wo ya ga no ya ju no we kele edene Frankie de rie boyfriend me rie you win Facebook or you win I not get work me even yebere mana na ti yebe win wa gin but uwa okay segeni ya vanish Frank onise Frankie ya sie papi no onise Frankie ya sie ladia je kevi we ma mo pe ave dagbo we o vi gbogbo we a friend ere kevi o ma ve boyfriend e ga na hin ebe Frank o si ezo ni ya ve ni ovigbo na we so you don't know person you go just they call you for video call you go say they call your ass what you want to do for your ass bujo vi mo vigbo na mo pa then wa narrate we boyfriend etin mati amon pia boyfriend e no si ezo den lele unu we ya ya kele ibe record wa imi new ije go we owu we just that ije go o ma re do explain mama we no hin the native goat no de we do no mama me ge ije me mommy otiti lamogun me we mi o si eni na fe ko ka badun ni we kedere ade me imene do confirm vije go tai we owo do we o wa nsa noro no doge shekiri noro no doge do noro no je go mata me ma beti me gi confirm na we wa nsa ume imi asipopo jowo ni so ya lawo nu lati ije kevi we ma ro we ma me boyfriend we Frankie di owo we wa sinye kevi idori voice ni dori ye social media but for owie na ore pe sister Pemi ima on ya ti sister Pemi ima on sister Pemi dure mana ima o but voice we ya pe owie na veni je kevi ya ta we tu nyanu we ge tu ami mi nu nyano o wa nyano wuhi ya gbe TV sota we ba we anytime mami oge a social media president oge no tani even do pe ije kevi me no kwa mi na very lazy woman unwe a parrot o ta lo se ije kevi ta lo se parrot what a parrot we boy we doi a pigeon be mi na ti elihuhu ije kevi ta lo se elihuhu but so if you say I before the guys the talk I do you say ye kevi taloria no if Frank guy lads have a Facebook who is mama kevi yes why worry if I na ario for one day here ayario ije kevi we do ha magbon yoni ave Frank awe video o ti ihwe gbe aga je kevi we ma gbigbe aga ime record no ya you we akele je kevi we ma gbigbe aga esenti we hin ima yari we bona makale va ni gbirane sisa givere va ni de Frank do amu eji ho ya gbe we no gbigbe aga je kevi we ma gbigbe aga don't say me we ma gbigbe aga I wa me voice ni no we yoju no we ya confess when ya vandalize we iya wa be vandalize ye kevi my brothers and sisters iya wa be vandalize wa ge Frank do atawe asawo Frank oni no ma etani do tai wata ashi wele ashi poto ashi munu ashi poto ashi munu ije kevive hi at least ori mania mama joni mata ma we giving ya we woni san giving ya ije kevio ga joni we ata even ya fie lo oda wo re fie li ke fie lo gbefe fie yo nu e fie anywhere nya fie ije kevie nya gize fie yo jo nya ye kevi e worry oni no wa you know the way why mo akere akene wa mu yere o me gala wa gege si yere yo wa gega e ba no wa na ye we just obi o hwan o gbudu ave ibu me veni ya zen ne do ye disgrace Frank we because he say we akadra adi na we ima o ni ma be je gbe la dian ina much we na gwe me ima gbokna ima I not match your leg one day for this social media. A video no yati ebono wa imamu de ma yati ebono imamu una wo ye gegbe ye ohome nu we ya do yasin we ni yasin me the pub a picture me na igare public na yi Frank ya luwa bi je kevi ba me ni ye ize luwa je kevi ma wo we no sister Pemi e voice we ya wa pe wo we na e voice we ma kan wa gwigiri de committee I did it quick. In way I see the yacht. You are when no big tona. Sister Pemi, what is Sister Pemi ready? Sister Pemi ready, na. Over Ion, we know there. Wuti elogi. What a welogi as a team wefa. Elogi as a team wefa. First of all, may I just talk this thing. Your top boy send the picture here. Gelogi. Elogi na send me picture na. Ina we just me picture na. And if audio, if recordi, no ya ajo iwo ne Frank ya video we. Odo enwe we mo se o henri ogo me beje. Enwe ma mo se so ye Kevin on ye Kevin a wu bana because e Frank gie ya ma ye Kevin. On ye Kevin a wu bana. Enwe we e pekusi we. My sister e ya ye miele. Oye sogo. Odo enwe we wa mo se o egbe we be mo se ri ogo we beje. Bet e Frankie o mana lele lo de and when na una ya we passport we Rome ona ke we ya dangbe Frankie when oro wodo o wo so the message na wuro wodo lila wo oro wodo e ma ya no ro wodo ni Frankie gbele kedra do we be call e Frankie ha me Frankie we Frankie si so na when ro wodo si ai we be call e Frankie ma call e Frankie wa do avie mi bossi me yero wodo so Frankie no gbinaye small traditional man no gbinaye honoro wodo so we no be awo honoro wodo adulterous man from today go Frank is an adulterous man owo hana ogwaro wodo owo han o marry ne oro wodo Frank na ye love ko honoro wodo adulterous man why gitie Frankie adulterous man ori eni ore adulterous man eke no ya love eke owo han oro wodo owo han o ga Xavier thank God wa Xavier the message ava wa Xavier wo rin e be geni oda for where I love you or stick oda for where man I love you wo si so e pisu we lazane wani ni we Canada ba be dori e pisu wo han na wa ri e ba Canada ni almost waro iho ya fe ni die we gbe we phone un dani ya vi wa ya lazane Nore Genova we no honi no mo me 5 Nore Genova ya mu picture we lazane e bo pa mo ni e mu picture we lazane we ni Nore Genova enwe we wa be ye yiri udu enwe ya tie bo ni boy na enwe ya be mu picture we lazane o me 5 me ya mu picture we lazane although egbewe ma ho igbomo no me 5 ogele egbewe gele wa yi sexy but if you we must to like Facebook awa ya mo lazane owo han when I vieve a messenger edo blog Egene Frankie na ou, webe viera. My brothers and sisters, iye te kometi baba na nenye yuwa ya distract me. E Frankie mere na. E Frankie iye ime azien mi atie yuwe kukudu. Be mi na no gwe wi me na. Na right na igi seti mwe blog video ma ya blog. Ya o ware titie boni ya. Runa ewe blog gini yu kedere adi me tie bonoru okpa me tie bonoru eva. Una onu asi nu do jo we do ya si no me. Frank, we do ya yo wesi ni meni. Ya lo wejo. Via ya mi yo hana e o hian ga mistake no hian ga make. Because wa arrive ke dore ade we egwan. Ru ya onu do ya oppress ni. Wa la dian sivia. Ya gbo egbe. Frankie, ge ga se ni na dane. Do gbe me, do gbije me, do gbera me, do gbe ten me no mai ka no ni. We no bi a kon ri me la dian. Il me avait con la tiens. Frankie. Ok. Et recordi. Moi mamu toye la live Nigeria. Et recordi. Ni iwa we recorde o. You and me and your family for Nigeria. You know say you put us for lie for WhatsApp group. Iwa we recording any or twenty di onopia. I voice recorde. Jamais il me recorde Frank il me mwegbe ho we Frank una mu me by family we Nigeria ma ya na are WhatsApp group ni il recorde ya won il just amudi ave il recorde e mi tun etun no ma gwi me gun ave phone o phone ma record any of your family no gun me gun ave phone Frank il recorde ya fefefe. I record ya so stay away. You know what ko wa rona but wegi ke ladian do we just because me we o si me ai even we aya gbe me we gwalo na ono zo ni we me ladian but we kere ya make sure we I vawo ni sani I kanyo bokpa anu bonokpa ya nyefo ye we ni no go mi gwalo no ya do mu yo me gbe na if mwejo anoke ege wa ta na me ka on de ni je kevi wa fe ko wa la wa edide no mo wewe wa la wa edide no me pe ku se we la wa e mo tai ije go we pe ku se we wu me just that ije go ma wa ta mi ma e we no hiwo de we wa unsa no we do no ije go ma tai but ije go wa yere do ta mi ma awe we no hiwo ije kevi gossiperia wa go me pe voice sister Pemi. Ima no hin. Do wa no hin kwa go me tagge. Do wa do he. E disgrace ni Frank irie ne. Na oni ma kame wo I know the enters. The last time I check na my ass I did so. You will say me will come off for the street or social media. I know they come out because I leave this boy. Not be today we leave. Person where you don't live for close to 1 year. I see no reason although ya drag me. Many of una, I don't know what una they think. Person will be say una not the date again. I see no reason why be say you go come out, come they drag you. I dey do my blog ever since nobody know they behind the do blog. Now this boy and I can't go drag me come out. For that alone, I go make sure say I drag it that is small prick. Yeah, drag it. Yeah, see tata. Yeah, see ilawa. The last time I check on wameji or any wahia mumi wadomwe. I know say I fuck up on my own. No, iwa where me iwa the above be me. But ewo giri abatana. E mo ya fe de Frankie mo e ban rien. Wa we do blow we gu mi na. I me afun wa wo be Frankie. Obo kan when o do gbodo no ya ga love ye ke Frankie. E ri we ya se di go gie. O kan ro we Frankie na. Obo kan na doy. O wa ro we Frankie. Obo kan doy. E kujo ro we Frankie. Obo kan doy. E party ti ra we lamogun. Ma be gossip we o. Ma be gossip we nene WhatsApp groupie. Iye ke vive gossip we kakabo ya veri eladian. Et pas social media, ma wa ve gossip et pas social media. Ya ve dori voice recording ya veri eladian. Devant ya di mama gossip ve WhatsApp group ni. I me mani je Kevin man gossipy. Ema ya no iwa go Frankie Gwan. Je Kevin o mo adie a WhatsApp group as the leader of the group. Odo Queen Maya Kugbe, je Kevin o gossip eva. Je Kevin o taloria. Enu gwa geve nyati eni. Enu gwa geve social media ni je Kevin o taloria. I don't know who be this. Cookie the name Frank cassava sweet una. You go try am. When do ya try? Frank cassava sweet. You can't go try am. I don't know who you be. That one not concern me. No be because of you I dey here. I do wetin I dey here for. Frank cassava sweet you or ma sweet you we boy here o dog we ya test we have do test et puis je we have a we phone me il veut mueve la tien. Il veut mueve la tien. A go make be il voit c'est permis. I don't know who be that lady permis. Sister permis, sorry but I don't know you. I must do one. I must no ni cade ni cade speaker version e wa evidence bon ni ya pe ni no ma suppose ni pe we e pa titi baba lamogun iyan we no de we me send the egwe set the egi won on your see any na koke platform we na he set the egi won bet yaga blog wa yaga move we page me ima we gossip we o e pa titi mo wa we gossip we kakabo we awa we mi oguwe no ro o we agbe Frankie wa e pa social media president mo wa we gossip we awa e pa president social media president we awa we mi oguwe o we ari papi usu ejije u fie ejije Kevin u fie yo nisan Don Prince o we ruwe do o salova Don Prince oh we ruwe o ma we gossip we to the extent ina agwale na call man we no ba we hia iya we me yo eni me gossip we se iya we si se Francis ye ni gwale piche Don Prince baby mama re ni gwale la ina so call down do re hia we Don Prince ma we gossip we salogba e WhatsApp group ni mi bu wa me ore WhatsApp group ni Oge ne Frank itano de we enyo pagare ne the WhatsApp group yes o ma kan no pa no ro nu gwe gwa kan ni wo be junu we sile la dia du wa fi pe di oni if oni bebe mi no be ya be mo we be worry we a okunu we so bom me asini nu we do ya si me be kiri me to tajini na do amu episode me ba we Frankie oni me hia so akoko yu wo mba izo wo bove kun varia na awa Frank wa mioko na tie si via ve dove if ude wa mioko na tie si ateri vayo u lenesin iya me so we eminana ya drag weze egun agbaye Kevin ye Kevin of yo we marriage re e video ni drop no de no na ta we oge destiny wa me no tawa ya do drop the full record you know ya admire a marriage destiny you know ya admire a marriage destiny e ma ya ve fe ni marriage social media na ni je Kevin admire ero iwa oni marriage ma we Frankie si c'est Frankie awa veri we ma wa live we ne stave word e Frankie me go na live we ne stave word live e Frankie me go no ya gba owo wefu we ma bege go pon ma gba wekun ya do drop because you ma drop ya for no there or stand no my sister stop yeah no dey stop if you no fit stay here you comot I no dey stop let me play Sister Pemi records Frankie we orije Kevin opa we ipe we ni dokpo we Frank we ya mama bege ya mama esumega he we life we after we marry we break up in me initially take a while like you ni do tori because a relationship marry we gazi after we nu ne Frank me na do hin su ye dagun we yes Don Prince na here my sister I stay with you If not, don't please, good morning. We gossip you too. I still get the records. He ma gossip you. A WhatsApp group ni. Oh my guy WhatsApp group. Oh my guy gossip WhatsApp group. They mani ni mama you pekai. O taveri na. Iye kevido vima yo. O we ma do ari bota. Weze ribota. O we odo munye ave presenter. Iye ga igbe Frankie neve ni ya igbe Frankie o de Frankie do ture. Frankie ga iye igbe Frankie neve social media Frankie to ade WhatsApp group. Ije kevi do vi ma ya mbo ma do ago je kevi ninye dans do reve social media gbe so ba ve vi esi aye je kevi ore phone be na e pa ye phone re o se ni ti record e ya mi bob mi we ya record e ege no ya mu me by family we Nigeria I record e I jamais o I record e senior brother we I record e na gi go yo gore na we destiny we marriage ọmọ no we marriage no we me maka ha mo we proof ọmọ no we no deliver marriage ni me maka ha mo we ni sunu je ni ọmọ no deliver marriage ni marriage na ma yari bra price e then we ya we ni marriage me ma ro we by people at least don't we marriage if you go person party they know they give you gift say okay oh take away Wane Frankie e parti o me no ya no winye ya bujije Kevin wa no e dinya leva e ni parti wa no e Frankie agume gwa kala e va ni ma eje ve na bu were Frankie me mati we total no we show where all is well with you me mati we total e Frankie na gele a no temata we ke ko davije Kevin ma bu we ma yaro weke ko davye keviri mave we mayaro wa gbolokoshi ndanje wesku wa go make pe voice pemi imamo na ti pemi pa won eni ni me mana de won na se foji no kwe mase imawo ya wa si e fori na ya si esi ko tonu ka go make podio because imawo ni do ya podio won no my suppose ni pe baba na Wama understand. Why even aware niya? Eh, 1 minute oh. Ya select audio. E voice bungbe. E voice ma bungbe. No na. No na. Why ye de select audio. I select a voice. Oge pemi noro iwa oniri sister pemi. O noro I oniri lati. Dan to boy na hin. Oge Frankie to boy na hin. Thank you for the star. Thank you. Okay, social media president. Ebo eni esu no malaki we. Ege tie we for the emi ni ye kevi plan ho we vidie ke. E pato ye oye gegege oye renere. Awa we segere ya po ni ni iwe do pe. No. Yeah. Ile ne record ve na ti ge wati e wo je kevi. Ija wazingbe ware ya fo pa. I go release them. We wazingbe. Kulu temper wakule temper. Why do distract me? Okpa ya pe te be arrange you to bon. Oh, e na ya life for you life for rena. Oh, amare Frank. Nenya. I beg. Oh, Siviana, eh? It be like say I go mute for 2 minutes. I go mute for 2 minutes. Make we bring the this thing come out because people I don't want go drop people come out just now. Ika yari yoge manoma sopo ni rie ladian ya yari ladian. Odo ye na mege ti gwaleve. Ina na wa mege frank wiye kevio e wu me na eni maka fio popo jinyan ni san. I go mute for 2 minutes ni kege kaya gwalo ye ladian e video ge permis ni je kevia tawe permis e onyanuwe o oriowe oduhun oriowe yesili o akukogero to o yakai gun yari ere ni you people just give me 2 minutes why gui my people Irene why gui why what do abu oni awale
on Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth now all no di ne wa do dan me ho sister Permis abeg I no know you come hear wetin Frank go tell mama Kevin ye Kevin we no ya nya no we he o we no ya ri owe ye sili e we no ya ri owe ye window e awa piko wo we ke no se giro ra me we Frank mo touch no bo re ya ni o wa ye Kevin Wadameo 1 2 go are you ready Wadameo let's go there ere ya tanya let's go there 1 2 3 go
Ebe mi osula, be so what we promise on him because on that girl, that lady is talking from pay. Anyone that don't get kind of when they go now. Okay. A mistake you don't make it now, and if you are not good than bona. Oh, here you come on every phone. Here do kuti. If you are not I'm surprised if you are back at Kera surprise get if we buy her. The whole world can make an
wow make a lie down no make now see wow ni de gbe sieri yeke wow una dey hear me if una no dey hear make una tell me make I lie down ni sie la dian I wan start am again Na Pemi. Now what they talk about. Yes, Pemi Osula. Yes. Iye kevi we Frankie kafi pokpo yo wene. Oge makbe. Una de ye, if una not de ye, make una tell me. Make a ladder.
Pemi Osula, but so what they promise on in it because all that lady is talking from pay. Okay.
Wow. Oh, ya kat I don't know. Away from the cave if you poke your winning. Ye kevi, when you're boy. Ye kevi. Or when you cave time, in your cave if you poke ye buene. If Frankie cave vandalize any when you saw wave via fefe. Or what cave you wear or you won't silly me.
That lady is talking from pay. Okay. A mistake you don't make it now, and it can allow good than bona. Oh, here ya come on every phone. Near the cookie. The whole world become a Canaan, the almost all women. Go home and abroad. No matter make it, no matter what I'm not if I don't call me, why my mama you or call her what we are. And whether you're Kevi, and the didn't soon of him one of him. Of him one of him. Okay. If a worry winner.
Wow. Are you there? According to Prince, are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? Pemi. Oh, well, what now he will be now. Oh, we Frankie cave silo what we call it. Frankie. Oh, we Frankie casilo what we know. Tie. You give your tie. Oh, we oh my God. Oh, we Frankie cave yon way now. Ye kevi wa sungu ye kevi wa sungu wa kudi do here we no do e na wo bo me na owe Frankie ka owe dero wa owo we tuwe o awe kevi awe e Frankie ka ya kon. Oh my God. It's so funny anyway. Sometimes you won't let me just day. I go just dey play all this record. I go dey laugh. Away from the cabin, Jacques Consiloe. Oh my God. Oh my God. On your Pemi Osula. Don't please. I worry my boy very soon. E pa titi ma po we o. E pa social media president ma we po we. E pa ibizu gbe. Èmi na te a plan e ho we di eke o we gbegbe. E pa ibizu gbe. Èmi na a plan e ho we o we gbegbe. Ere don plus. Almost most of the thing. A plan it don prince to the extent yeah we me call it different people no I take gwalo we so one don prince iwa me the records Frankie if on the social media wa get na social media ofin wa dero rekwa venu dero rekwa na wa kudu de yo here na ya mwe pisi me ba we only me bana and nobody should tell me saying because of the relationship only beba na ya mwe picture me buy e make be Frankie ba because I see no reason I do ya me even me Moses and I do ya me we I do amwe picture me ba we Frankie only me azu popo yo woni samba only me asu se yo we kukuduba ye kevi only me asu abejo we nweba wow let me play it again.
Talking from pay. If I me also like, me say I want a promise on it because all that girl, that lady is talking from pay. Okay.
Motaya. I want to have a tie, no day. Ya wa fear you no waranu. Unu egwe, we go me de desini, unu egwe. We no yere wari no wata mewe. We fraka ya we Ogwa nyanu ogwa describe even if frank ya few you know ya few pokpo yo we otai ware what's up totai ihwe mo o baba fie me yo nu e frank na bo ya afa ije me ogwa stani ye una so we na wa o ogwa tabe no je ere frank ere yo do your wear or your cupboard ere yo woro na this lady waga planning the lady now Oma on anybody ashani frank in social media plan na oge bidieki we no bunya ya gbe we social media president here iwa be di record iwa be mo ye kevi osuwo for national peace today
promise on me because all that girl, that lady is talking from pay. Okay. A mistake you don't make it now, and if you are not good than bona. Oh, here you come on every phone. Here do kuti. If you are not the one, also present. If you are not a girl, so present. If we buy her, the whole world can make it. The almost all women go home and abroad. No matter make it, no matter what someone else present. If I don't call you, why am I not marry you? Or call them, we are. And whether you're Kevin, and the living soon of a one of in
okay, I'll block her. I'll block the person.
Oh, me yaki na day.
Oh, when you make it, we are a Daniel keeper. If Frankie, you go who you na. Iye Kevin, and you Kevin, you have a gossip Frankie. Frankie, wet to when of it all. Niye Kevin, why ya does gwangwa we me ya do boni. Ya do be. What ika de gwe we una we ashi wele. Ido ori audio niye Kevin ya tama. Even ya do emu we wukbo. Ido ori ya ade social media na. Oh, ihu no se pe. Ihu no se no gba oge. Ona agwa. I have a sister no re London. Ye tani wa owe. Oma, isu wa se fe tu wa e. You know what do ya mi owo hana bi dagbo. Eri wa do ya we mi pichu wa. Megi gwa. Eri ado ya mi pichu. I'll block the girl. Hope the person safe. Okay. Uswawe mani Frankie. Uswawe mani we nya no we me Frankie we na. Why what's na e? What's in there? A relationship in my Frankie phone. Frankie walk when you walk home. A social media jena. Egg back my young way. Maybe second and I stick by my word. A video no ya tie boni wa imu. Ne ma ya tie boni imu. Ina fe kwaro go me Frankie ma se me ya wo ve kun. E Frankie ga gwo ma ve gun or ye ni me you way. E Frankie ga gwo ma ve gun or ye ni me you way. Oni elo Frank. Oni me hiazi ukpokpo jije Kevin Weba. Oni me hiazi ukpokpo jije Kevin Weba. E pe mi osula. Iye Kevin we Frank kave kave yakwe kave yasi we tuwe ne tata. No vêtement swear. Iyonya we Nigeria ji. E record ni mayare gossip woro. Vinu we je. Iye Kevin we aju ove you know atai. Away Frankie we man swear a picture where I will bring it out Havana it will real audio ye Kevin wa ya tie where when we are you my Frankie we do real audio ni we do re wa wanire UK ye hamu wana ne why do ham me because we I go bring it out iri elatian ni ma mi o di oge ikpe record oge I will play it. It was ya V formation get Frankie. No V formation get Franco. No re UK no re Canada no re Italy information it was ya V formation get. Hey, Ivieya. Frank. Na yari e pichi me ba weni. Ijime Frank ori eriengbe. Ore permi usula e na hina. E permi Frank go do test. Na ino. Na ikono. E permi wawe Frank. Wawe je kevi. Eri no. Eke Juliet. No vi agmontain. Waeva wa eri no. Ore e party ti wawe ro party ti. Your is loading. Don Prissy is loading. Social media president, your is loading. Brother Ibizugbe always loading. Ya ye streety. Ibro sunu ebwede. Uga Frankie. Ye wa mume. Ni ya record we ni ya silo we lele step case wu de kon a step case. Esa gena ro wonu ido agiagia here yari voice we by uwe ogo we mekpe di mekpe voice we ni medo pe voice we bu atono dey die for film na to aya for film ifo ohun ara we ni record na aya for akpo we last and waju venu yo mu me yari owe no ro ya ago dey cut am to 2 minutes ido afi efi we when time no dey aga ikpogije kevi fona do la we Frankie I do la we egeni ya ro wa we that day wa ya no call we I record am okpiari no re Canada o call we wa seni I record am e Davido of Benin o call we wa seni I record am ave ma ya ni call we egeni ya ro wa we I record am we Frank, what thing no my we mo baba we de nini me na ga mo mama we de record you imega here da gwe wa ko di de yo here oge pemi osola e wa we na hina ide pe irigun ajo should be case anybody we you want cut am make go cut am but I go still blog am o oge pemi osola ni we no we Frank ya ya ko si apiko e onuje kevie ya la
Ebe me osula, me say I want a promise on me because all that lady is talking from pay. Okay. A mistake you don't make it now.
You say that should be destiny. I don't know. I just say Oni wagwan kana I did Frank house. See you know one thing, those people I don't know why they rely on Frank. Frank na snitch. I don't know why they rely on Frank. They come out yesterday. Hey, you not doing for me, you not doing for who boy. Ni do podio. Ni podio nia. Ogun boy. Ni podio. Okbiano re Canada. Veno ya wawe respect okbiani. Odo inya kama mewe o lotu biye ka no o. Osegbe Frank neke doing. Yes. Osegbe Frank neke doing. Obio Bini. Iro we Frank. Veno kwa ya gwa e. I record you people. Yakbe. Frankie, don't me only Frankie don't be me. Me make even we no see the we na lie low na. I don't want to talk to Sylvia. You must talk to me. Umana talk to me. Do talk. I will talk to you. Ekenu to taji. Ido gu egwan ekenu to taji. I don't want to talk to Sylvia. I don't want to talk to. Do I want make you talk to me? Esa gana wa manare ya feel you by the moti. When what time? When time no dey here wa. Yeah, feel you by the month. I don't want to talk to you again. I don't want says host. You don't want to talk to me again. Ave mani gbinanu. We ma ya ha mi ya nego gwali information me. Wa mi ne viogian I don't care. Adana na wa sena. Me mari care. Even wete we are we me. E pa e worry. Owe no ro is loading. Oteke mas otale or rahwe. E pa social media president aso bomo we Ako weson. Ije kevi undan. Even vije kevi je me ongo wa seto. Ije kevi we no worship, we no be frank ga worship koge. E pa unu me wa na unu ije kevi wa na je be on. Any recording ni pe na. Pas this recorder. E pa anything here ga pe. If you have DJ Kevin, no, on your see any area voice me you way, any idle tower, what's any minute one you way, ye wave gay. You can be in an avoid one as ye veniana. Or what I know, you have a live a muy piacana. Because if you have a yo no, age on a matter, or mamma of a break. I don't know, but I only just talk. Why see this platform? When you wafeko warrior na on my own we okay oh we are here. Investor good morning. When you wafeko warrior na ya fe warrior. Oge obio bini ere kozi weto yerere. Ere tere kozi we yerere will be me. Wabe Frankie Guania. Wabe Frankie Wagwan. Wabe Frankie Gwan. Panore Canada. Why are you like this? In my well, I don't know you hear why I am anywhere. You hear why I am anywhere. You know, Wabe Frankie Yagwan. When you know information Frankie UK. Oma Frankie don't be me. Uwe mana gbe mo gun ya gbejo ma o. Uwe mana saga imi ogun ya gbejo ma o Frank. Do saga mi. Uwe mana saga mi ogun ya gbe. Duwe saga imi ni me kina ya sili nya no ro wa la tin ime gije. Owo we I want to play mature. We mature. We kedede wa mature. When ya gbe ne Facebook ke ko wa de WhatsApp group do avie. Iye kevi do a plan iriya we don pretty iriya we pai bizugbe iriya we social media president ebi no gbiyan we social media president ye iye kevi na wa le wa mu bogbe wo wie na esu no kagede no sun wo e pa wa go we here ipe wa vana o we wa we because ari ya fo pa ebi no gbiyan we et donc prince ateji me agwa what is a France ma be weji ateji me ya locate we hiane don prince e ya ke ye record ya o don prince wa be onu wa be version wo enoro ibe do pe ibizu gbe France we beje avec ja so ore permis ma wa mi ma wa be pe wo bi na ma be po ore permis ne be ne Frank ja e be no ya consi permis tout e ye ke vi o taille. Vene Frank ya konki premier parti ye ke vi o taille. Vene Frank ya si akpike e permis e tantatan ye ke vi o taille. Can you imagine? Donc please we am record we we are dey training bu ye ke vi are wa record we vene ya we wo han we o baby mama we ya mia onu ye ke vi e Frank ya ta we sagala ye ya do record ni Frank ya vie WhatsApp group. But so you have a time where only a second of Wavelo Geun de or now be no matter or can't pray WhatsApp group. A second don't press you know the only or what now don't press me don't press when I France who said it quality from don't press always social media president is loading. E pa titi always loading. Ibizu e pa ibizu gbe always loading. Always loading o Frank wa sula hoho yo wa mana sula hoho yo ebe o mu ho dan o e Frank e me forgive ya ti wa wo or forgive one and wa la love gbe Frank. Anybody that want to have anything to do with Frank, wa record de. E mat vimero wage e ya agave mo mata ge ke kan no se to ti record de. Ya se gbe e record e magala, I record de. E na mo mate magala ge we ni gi record de se. Ya se gbe e record e magala. where I give her money, me take do business of Magala. He record the Makame. Ite a oge magmoyata. Even if I am what in a pay record me kan. E gonna make ya listen to e mate Magala yanta na we. Abe Magala mama bokame. Awi yo ehena. The politics, ya vote. E Frank, do ha mami manu we support. We do bo we be ke do bodio ni e WhatsApp group ni no waze ni. E wo paro. O wo paro, but I make sure say I transfer that WhatsApp group. You went to the seven you we boy na say. You not share WhatsApp or na share with the phone ni. When you give wese. You not share WhatsApp or you not share with you not share with the phone. But so all the phone now because ukoni ona mana aranti eru me vaga no o me na arokpa mana arokpa na yaga we live video ukoni. Ina do share WhatsApp or na tigan your own so that ogun awodo mega on ugame. You know as we dey share and they go tell you say share your device. Or a WhatsApp, you will share your device. But if that person come off for where you did, anyway, you are Italy, you dollar your phone because you cannot share. When you roll one anya, it was up over me. It's sure it was up because my own where any person one so that I meet I set it restrict where okay or not call any more no more or no go and go. You know, say people they use wrong number. Person. I make sure say I share Frank the WhatsApp device go my phone. I share am. Wow, me no any who we are do me ni mete lose guard we gbo. Won no ma understand. Oh ma oni te my play pay me yo FBI. I no be FBI. FBI wa hi we gbe Frank yo. FBI wa hi if it be Frank, FBI it cannot be FBI for everybody. People will really know me very well. People will close to me. They know say they make me imagine. If Frank cannot do, if Frank give you boy or not alarm ye kilati. Now play a Pemio. Should be case you just the con. Now Pemio audio will come play this morning. Now play Pemio audio so that my for go rest. My leave room. I'm gonna go work. I'm gonna go drop on a children for school. May we just relax. Want to go? Are you ready? If you're UK, if you're Charlie, why for me no setting now? Okay, oh, problem. Yeah, do I be Latin? Ogo panore UK. I'll cover your face this morning. The picture ya blogger over now. Yes, now ya blogger over now. Why worry?
So I want a promise on me because on that lady is talking from pay. Okay. A mistake you don't make it and they can get good than bona. Oh, here ya come on every phone. Near the cookie. The whole world become a Canada, the almost all women. Go home and abroad. No man make no matter also man surprise. If I not call you, why man no man you or call them we ah. And whether you kevi and the didn't listen na. Obi wan yo vi ni. Obi wan yo vi ni. Okay. Me winner. Me yaki winner day. Oh, me okay yaki winner day. Me usula. Me so
Sylvia, put your account. I know if you put my account, my love. I know they do all those things because I want my people. No, I know they do one. I just want my people know Frank for who Frank be. That make me they do one. I know if you put my account and I know if you put my phone number. And if you not get anything to go, I want to discuss or I want to reach out to me. I want to put on for messenger. I dey read my messenger every time. No message will be say I know they read for my messenger. No message will be say I know they read for my message. I they read for if you send me message, I they always read them. No, una do well. Una just dey support me as una dey support me. So like my page, share am, and make una follow my page, my new page, because this my page. Inya go egbe na ifra ka amu egboto we no mu ye, we no mu ho ni no recipe we no mu ni egboto. Ifra ki yo no mu page na o no mu egboto beteti e hian so. Onyo sie ni na onu gwa gume lele. E page ni re. Edo Saga Blog TV. Edo Saga Blog TV. And a page me now or me backup page wagume lele. Should be case if ga mono na gboto. Ma ye backup ni ma do ya lele yan gbi na ma do ya swa koko jiyan. E pa investor si sure manana we hama we my brother. Even you no tano de ye go a platform we no. But I know the thing not go well with me, not sweet me the way you take do. Now your platform, but I just need to tell you, you need to respect your fans as well. I like the way you still respect them, but I still vex for the other hand. Like you want to we one and want to beg you, or say, yeah, blogging ya. A lady now, a Frankie, all you will be Frankie record day. All you will. If Frankie record it, which I get the video. I get it. If ya say be voice say no yakbe music get Frankie will orion when you sing one orion when you wanna no or gbe love you wanna me we gbe love me lelu onona gbe love ria ije kevie gwa gbe love you no mu ye kevie is really is not relevant. Egwa love old cargo. We know old cargo we face it over old cargo. No problem. That one don't still go. That one don't still go. No more begging my love. The problem because we need to export Frank. We no see any. Abi ho na mana set igu. E Frank me ni ada. E Frank me no daji. O se ni na set igu. And your body. Who know that girl where on your body fair date? On your body we go date this our this my friend. So this on marry no egme so ni yo. Again on your body card date. You date TikTok. A TikTok on our live video. If Frank get call we Frank na we who call it Frank na we ya mo girlfriend de lads. Una call it Frank. If Frank na hammer we Jari woge no 500,000 ge you marry oibo marry we wa be fresh for I get iwa me record with my sister when the Frank ya hama we no yare 500,000 iga live I ko ni na share device with the Frank ni the phone ni ma daji but me ya very Frank ga kele phone ya na alarm phone e Frank he may share WhatsApp we we make is vi me na share WhatsApp we na share with our woman but immediately wa we pa yo wa we ona wa we disconnect me pa even na ya mu we me a call a network me ati e me ni no we o tewe no Italy because my brother he Frank my brother my friend me a calling a free a network in use we Otewe no Italy no WhatsApp no bana. They asset connect but unfortunately oregbe. Italy mezi. Imia if WhatsApp we mo ga mu ehia phone ni. When e gwati bi. When ma ego. When you go ni ya spelling. When o hia spelling ni wa ne go. Wa so. I beg my people, let me leave you guys for now. Thank you. Wow, why is it Frankie? Why did they say Frankie? Ye Kevin. Unwe ye Kevin ya tala. Fie me ye Kevin no. Baba fie me yo no. Advi even Frankie like you ye Kevin like you. Who promise ye Kevin go? What promise ye Kevin go? Ye Kevin or ye phone ya remind you. Imo no promise ye Kevin go. Eje Kevin ga ye phone call ewe. Anytime ma ya agwa. Owe. Even no wa send no wa ye go no maybe ye go here. Marry a marriage, you know, ya. I still contribute for the marriage. A marriage go ye dene. A marriage of a man no what you go ya. A marriage go jo. Frank do ha magno the marriage go you go make be receipt ye. You go make be receipt ye. If I keep gbain, emi. 419 down. 41, in fact, 419, 4119, 4120. Iye eva hin. Iye eva gbagbe shentrona. Abewa no re Torino. Abewa. Ya mwere kerisiti no ya sendi ogi egiyan. Kepishu we ya poste ban. Iye kevi, o ma sendi ogi Frankie. Akanti ye kevi o ibi ye kevi nye yari. Auto say we the baby soniwe. Auto say resist to ya sendi ogi Frankie. Ya poste. We post a picture whereby why song go up. My sister. Okay, no problem. That one, no problem. We'll do that one. Now you, a past social media president, your audio is loading. Don Prince, your audio is loading. A party T, your audio is loading. Ibizugbe, your audio is loading. Your audio is loading. Ma ve mon dio, iye ki. Iye ki one of UK. We get the audio. Ma ve gossip you. WhatsApp groupie. Ma gwa gossip you. I dey miss that WhatsApp group. But now ya we gather me bonne. Yes, I miss that WhatsApp group anyway. But now ya we gather me bonne. Yes. Okay, oh my people, let me leave you guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Bye bye. Thank you. Make sure not forget to follow Edo Saga Blog TV, Edo Blog Backup page. Not forget to follow them because Frankie or a page na. Ekene Frankie mena no matter where mo ke page na no do wogele ke page na ni mi we ma fi me fwa na we page na e link ya lo we send gi me we mi me reply we I made up pan le Frankie send the link gi me so the extent your win ya ki Malaysia me ya ga business partner me ha ma we I know they do any business partner for Facebook now only if you want buy cream, send me what you want. I go tell you how to get some or how to go about them. Or I don't need Malaysia. They link in the Frankie my send give me the link in the done my send direct. If Frankie do we access to a page and even where we party we are with me. Wa bolokoshi pasun no daye way school. I beg my people, let me leave you guys. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for coming. You guys are so appreciated. Thank you. Okay, guys. Love you. Ciao. Peace out. Watch out for my new bloggy or my new post. It might be your sister, it might be your friend, or it might be your wife. If you have vandalized whoever here. De Norero, you be prophetess. Ina ya ge keni instrument izi. Ina we do mi owo ewo bi na. De Norero, you be prophetess. Ne Frankie do vaga we ro mava. A prophetess uhi o. Ive antiewe. Ekenu na abanu pon. Ne Frankie na record we. E Frankie no vie Guinea what they suppose no lare or vie do or vie Nigeria. E Frankie is a Guinea man. E ekenu na abanu pon. Ure do to Frankie na kie we Frankie na record e Roma vaje a prophetess yan wu. A prophetess yan wu. I will reach out, send me message for my messenger. Well, when a picture where lads ya gbele ye. E Roma we wajewo. A prophetess in your wooing, you be prophetess. You be prophetess. Ya gbele. We no honi no re Genova. We no honi no re Genova no me 5. Ya enwo we baby yanti we ya gwe me. Ya gbele ya ye. I will post anything. Ya songo. Ima ya akpojo ya. Odi ekrimana gossip yeki one of UK e que mana gossip que ni ye que vive tare gbe ya select ya vere do gbe e que mana gossip pa di mufi ya redo gbe que ma ya gossip presenter ya my gossip. We are the gossiper. Wa mwagodi ni ma maizi. Wa mwagodi ni ma omamba easy. We are this 2024 award goes to Frank Group Gossiper. Award ni wa mweni ma maizi. Ma gossip be WhatsApp group ni. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Thank you. Love and like this page. Follow my backup page. Edo Blog Backup. I still get Edo Saga Blog TV. Make una see me follow that page. So that if I not feel put on for years, say they don't hack this one, I go come that page. I do a more igbiyan because inya only inya cover nu ni make na gbe record ya gbe ya fefe ya gbe ya why worry why we see. Okay, oh my people, thank you. My mommy and daddy ni ye blogging me ya offend wala wo wa re mi gwe wa egbe sister keeping it real with boss mommy, sorry, I know say I messed up. I beg mommy, forgive me. I beg. That was keeping it real with boss mommy, I beg, forgive me. I beg mommy, forgive me. I know say you just dey do your message, but I just go out of line. I beg mommy. Now see this woman, now he still tell me say anything. You know, like Ejeki, this one done worry no. I know besides they talk this one because of me, Ejeki, you know, come for me or but I just they do this one say, you know, like any presenter. Ni yokwa ro top or guano, ni yokwa ro duhu. E maga me view so or say WhatsApp group or vie. But we don't pass there. Keeping up with boss mom. I beg, sister, forgive me. What it well, I will forgive you. Anybody nigga blogging me ya offending. If you offend Precious may go. Mommy P. Forgive me, Mommy P. Help we. Wa yon vutawoge logi no de we do wero. Ya re gallery ni wala wo. I go look where I pack the pots nigga do with a conversation wero. But last time I checked, I never know. But my gossipy with a WhatsApp group. Yes. My gossipy with a WhatsApp group. Keep it. Yes. Boss mom. Keep it up with boss mom. Mommy. Sorry, mommy. Not this. I see the video where you just send me message. If you go my page now, all your video will be say I block. I don't delete all of them. I beg mommy. Not this. Anybody will be say I use my blog to offend one way or the other. Please make una forgive me. Why go? Okay, guys, thank you. I will continue to beg anybody will be say I don't offend with my blogging. Why am I say or worry me? Am I say? Ya da ki Frankie or we me ye ma ya fe. Ni ya egba me zo ni ya grow a page me but it can't reset it times and not the carry even a page bo lawo we page bo ka be blogger a page bo ka be blogger ni ya we e mommy itwan e page bo mata ga ro we Frankie na we me Frank we me gmojo we page bo we o me kwe we ya we e page bo we no lawo wo ra me egwe lawo ma be gossip we o itebe mi amia so because ona be mi audio pa ni averi la zan kirima na be gossip we ko ki me ka bi kevi ma wa be gossip wa we pa jebo lawo baba lawo egwe be ye be gbina no bi die ki we ebe ne oda fo we mo re ba mo mi suzu eri we be mo re ba ajebo so no